the ultimate guide to crushing it online. Launching your 2025 business. Forget everything you thought you knew about brick-and-mortar stores. We're talking 2025 here, and the opportunity is absolutely massive. Let's go and make it happen. Niche down to blow up. Finding your winning business idea. All right, entrepreneurs, first things first. We need to figure out what you're going to sell. This is the foundation of your business. So take your time and think deeply. Get inside the heads of your potential customers. What are they craving? What are their desires and needs that are not being met by current products or services? What problems keep them up at night? Identify the pain points that cause them frustration and stress. And most importantly, what solutions are missing in the market? Look for gaps that your business can fill. Sustainability, health and wellness, AI, e-commerce and online learning are booming. Do your research. These industries are growing rapidly and offer numerous opportunities. Dig deep into trends, analyze consumer demand, and identify industries with serious growth potential. Stay ahead of the curve by understanding where the market is heading. Think about it. Are you passionate about eco-friendly living? Passion can drive your business forward and keep you motivated. Maybe you're a fitness fanatic or a tech geek who lives and breathes AI. Your interest can guide you to a niche that you'll enjoy working in. Talk to potential customers, get feedback, and refine your concept. Their insights can help you shape a product or service that truly meets their needs. Once you've found your niche, define your ideal customer. Who are they? What are their characteristics and behaviors? What are their pain points? What are their aspirations? Understanding these will help you tailor your offerings to better serve them. Blueprint for success: crafting a killer business plan. A well-crafted business plan is your roadmap to success, guiding you through each stage of starting and managing your business. You've got your million-dollar idea. Now it's time to build the framework for success, your business plan. This document will outline your business goals, the strategy to achieve them, and the time frame for reaching those goals. Define your mission and vision. These statements will serve as the foundation of your business, guiding your decisions and actions. What impact do you want to make on the world? Your mission and vision should reflect your core values and the difference you aim to make. What are your long-term goals? Setting clear, achievable goals will help you stay focused and measure your progress. Market analysis. Deep dive into your target audience, competitors, and industry landscape. What's your revenue model? Understanding the market is crucial for positioning your business effectively. How will you make that cash flow? Your revenue model should detail how your business will generate income and sustain itself. Sell products, offer services, or explore a subscription-based model? Choose the best approach that aligns with your business goals and market demand. Marketing is everything in the online world. A strong marketing strategy will help you reach and engage your target audience. How will you reach your target audience? Consider various channels and tactics to effectively promote your business. Social media, content marketing, SEO, paid advertising. Each of these tools can play a vital role in your marketing strategy. Budget and funding. How much capital do you need? A detailed financial plan will help you understand your funding requirements and manage your resources effectively. Bootstrap it, seek funding from investors, or explore other options. Evaluate the best funding options for your business. Be realistic, be resourceful, and don't be afraid to get creative with your financing. Your business plan is a living document that will evolve as your business grows. Making it official: registering your online empire. Choose a business name that's catchy, memorable, and reflects your brand identity. Secure that all-important domain name. Legal structure: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Do your research or consult with a professional. Licenses and permits. Check with your local and state authorities to ensure you're compliant. Register for taxes. It's a necessary evil, but it allows you to take advantage of deductions and benefits available to business owners. With a little guidance, you'll be up and running in no time. This step separates the dreamers from the doers. Make it official and start your journey. All right, entrepreneurs, it's time to build your digital fortress. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of your business. It's not just about being online, it's about standing out and making a lasting impression. We're talking about creating a killer website and establishing a rock-solid online presence. Your website is often the first point of contact for potential customers, so it needs to be impressive. Your website is your online home. It should reflect your brand's personality and values. Make it welcoming, informative, and easy to navigate. Content is king. Ensure your visitors can find what they need quickly and easily. Fill your website with high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Regularly update your blog, share insights, and keep your audience coming back for more. Social media, create profiles on the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Each platform has its unique audience and style, so tailor your content accordingly. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and build a community. Consistency is key. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a dialogue. Establish a consistent brand identity across all your online platforms. Your logo, color scheme, and tone of voice should be uniform to create a cohesive brand experience. SEO. Use relevant keywords in your website content, optimize your website's structure, and build backlinks. This will help improve your search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your site. Drive organic traffic to your site. Monitor your analytics to see what's working and what needs improvement. Make your digital presence shine. With dedication and the right strategies, your online presence can become a powerful asset for your business. All right, entrepreneurs, it's time to talk about the lifeblood of any business. Getting paid. Payment gateways, PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Choose a provider that integrates seamlessly with your website. Shipping and fulfillment. Handle shipping yourself or outsource it to a third-party logistics provider. Inventory management. Keep track of your stock levels, forecast demand, and establish relationships with suppliers. Customer service. Have a system in place to handle inquiries, address concerns, and resolve issues promptly. Security. Protect your website and customer data with SSL certificates and secure payment gateways. Building trust with your customers is essential. Ensure the security of their personal and financial information. Chapter 6. Getting the word out. Implementing a killer marketing strategy. SEO. Use relevant keywords, optimize your website structure, and build backlinks. Social media marketing. Engage with your audience, share valuable content, run targeted ads, and build a community. Content marketing. Create high-quality, informative, and entertaining content. Email marketing. Build an email list, segment your subscribers, and send targeted email campaigns. Affiliate marketing. Partner with other businesses or influencers and offer them a commission for every sale they refer. It's a win-win situation that can significantly expand your reach and drive sales. Get those customers knocking down your digital door. Chapter 7. Work smarter, not harder. Automating and scaling your business. Identify tasks that can be automated: email marketing, social media scheduling, customer support, and order fulfillment. Embrace email marketing automation. Set up automated email sequences to welcome new subscribers, nurture leads, and promote your products. Social media scheduling tools. Schedule your posts in advance, freeing up your time to engage with your audience. Customer support automation. Set up chatbots to answer common questions and provide instant support. Outsource tasks outside your area of expertise. Web development, graphic design, content creation, or customer service. Automation frees up your time to focus on strategic initiatives. Grow your business exponentially. Chapter 8. Staying ahead of the curve. Adapting and thriving in the ever-changing digital landscape. Stay informed about industry trends, subscribe to industry publications, attend conferences, and follow thought leaders. Embrace data and analytics. Track your website traffic, social media engagement, and sales data. Experiment. Test different marketing strategies, product ideas, and pricing models. Continuously improve your skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, and read books. Build a strong network. Connect with other entrepreneurs, mentors, and industry experts. The online business world is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay adaptable, innovative, and customer-centric. Crush it in 2025 and beyond. Your roadmap to launching and scaling a successful online business in 2025 and beyond. Embrace the hustle, stay focused, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your online business. Now go out there and crush it. See you in the next video.